I'm about to actually absolutely destroy these guys. They're about to get dumpstered on. I tried out Project Slayers. It just bugged. Like how, like I didn't even want to play the game. But now that it's bugged, I'm probably never gonna play it because I just don't feel like playing games after release. Cause I don't think this game ain't gonna be like AUT. In the case where what is it? Stays at like 100k plays for a while. I know the game is gonna be not even that good, bro. Oh my gosh, bro! Imagine raw rushing. Oh, okay, I thought he raw rushed me. Can you come over here? Oh my gosh, bro! Raw rush me and see what happens. Okay, why did I run into that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay. Come here! Sit down! My gosh, bro. Sit down! Like, I'm not joking. It's not funny. Can't do anything because I just keep getting flung around the map. Like, I just keep getting flung around the map. Like, it's not even funny at that point, bro. Blocked. Come here. Blocked. Oh my gosh! If I get hit by another move like that, I'm gonna kill somebody, and it's not gonna be me. Yes, sir. Bang, 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 bang. Yes, sir. Half HP combo right there. Okay, that's my fault. That's my fault. I'm gonna let myself get hit by that. What the heck? Oh, no, crap. I don't know how I did that. Oh my gosh. Why does he keep going for him? Oh my gosh. Fingers on star finger. Bink, 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 bink. Bro! Sit down! If I get ulted at it, I can't get it ulted! It's not funny! It's actually not funny. But it's actually not funny at all. It's not funny because I keep getting ulted on. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, there's no way. I'm gonna go play GPO. I want to go play GPO. Oh my god! Sit down! 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 I think back on their body, they say it's time. Time for what? To get another whooping? It's time for you to lose again. Like, what? You're not gonna do it. You don't have it up. Exactly, buddy. Goofy. Ah! Please, please, please. He missed. Goofy. Ah! Bink, 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 bink. I'm glitching now. Okay, tried to wall combo me? Like, what? Bro, this is Heaven's Arena. We're not. Oh my gosh! No, come here. That right there deserves a kill. You interrupted my air combo. Like, how do you do that? You don't interrupt my air combo. Bing, 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 bing. Oh my gosh, bro. Got him. Yep. Got him. Oh my gosh. Get him. Yes! I got him! He says some teamers. Who's teamers? Who's teamers? I don't see any, plural nouns here. Bink, bink. Okay. Please do waste your ultimate on me. Yes, sir. I'm glads. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Boom, 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 boom. Brrrr. Boom, 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 boom. Payback. Bing, 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 bing. Got him. And boom, in your face. Good grief. Hit him with that. Oh, yeah. Barrage. Yes, sir. I'm gonna barrage you so you can't hit him. Or smash! No. Come here. This is my kill. This is my kill. This is my kill. Don't steal it from me. No, come here. Run into this. No! Don't run into that. No, come here. Get hit by that. Yes! My kill. Okay. I got raw rushed. That makes sense. Please don't let me use the spirit bomb. Please, lend me your energy. Okay, well that makes sense. Yes. Oh. Won't. I'm gonna join on a different account so I can trade on this other account. Because I'm still trying to trade up to stuff. So I can do a video where I just give away all my stuff. And I actually have something good. I'm trying to trade up to Mara, or Lancer. Because Lancer is Mara. So yeah. And Magu actually. I think it's Magu right now. Either that's Q-Wings or that's the Lancer. Bing. Oh my gosh. Why do you keep trying to hit me with that? 3 big people. Okay, obvious. Yes! Interrupted. Yes, sir. Interrupt that combo. Now you're gonna die for it. Bing. No, he has no iframe! He has no iframe! Let me kill him! My gosh, bro. Oh, he's gonna spirit bomb me. Yep, you're garbage. Bro, I was trying to restart my recording. Can I do that in peace? You're not good! You're not good! You're not good! You're not good! If you hit me with that, I'm leaving. If you hit me with the ultimate, I'm leaving. I'm not joking. If I get hit by another ultimate, I'm leaving. I'm not joking. Bro, I keep getting hit by people like this, bro. What? Okay. That makes total sense. Hit him with that. I don't know why. What was the point of that, but okay. Spider-Man! Spider-Man! What are you doing? Okay, well that makes sense. Excuse me, that was not cool. Whoa. Whoa. Yes sir! Yes sir! Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, I missed it. Bustin' up. He tried it. I need to learn this payback. Okay. I don't know what that was. He's trying to kill me. Whoever getting hit by this next time, one to get altered. Yep, get off of me. Bink, 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 bink. Hello. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yes. I need to get an ultimate off. I need to get it off. Boom! Boom! 1, 2, 3, 4. Or. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! Payback! Oh no! Oh no! Yep. Beans. That's all I have to say. Why do I keep saying that? I have no idea. I have never said that in a video. I say it all the time, I never say it in a video for some reason. Oh my gosh! Don't steal my kill, buddy! Oh no!